inside from the rain and the gloom. My friends are getting sand on their toes, and in this town every bar is closed, but it's cool. I'll be with you soon, away from this room where the sticky monkey flowers bloom. It's good that I don't mind the rain and staying inside of my frame, like a pretty portrait not on display. But maybe I'll be in the Louvre one day, but it's cool. I'll be with you soon, away from this room where the stick